Hello everyone. Are you planning to build a career in data science but confused about which course to choose? Whether you are a fresher, student, or working professional, this video is your complete guide. In the next few minutes, I will walk you through the best data science free basic course from IBM Cognitive Classes. And yes, these certifications you can actually add in your resume. If you want to search more good videos, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Let's start the session. So, as we know, Cognitive Class is one of the best online learning platform that was created by the IBM. It is a part of IBM Skill program. I have attached link of all those courses in below description box. Now, our first course is Data Science 101. As we know, data science is one of the best blooming technology. Data science helps to find patterns, answer the questions, and help companies to make a better decision from the large amount of data. So our first course, that is Basic of Data Science. See here, more than 77,000 people have enrolled for this course and also 4.5 rating is there. If you are a new in data science field, so this is the best course for you. The total duration of this course is 11 hours and this is a completely beginner level course. Here, you will learn about what exactly data science, multiple paths in data science, then how to become data scientist, then different roadmap for becoming a data scientist, then what to do as a data science people. Then you will also learn about different tools and technologies in data science. Next module you will learn about data science in business, use cases in data science and data science as a people. So basically you will get the knowledge about what exactly data science. So just click on enroll now button. So this is a completely free course for the beginner level. See here, after clicking on enroll now button, there is a start course button. You can directly click on start button and start your course. See here, there are total 5 modules are there and after attending all these lectures, there will be a final exam. In final exam, there are 10 questions are there and these are the mostly multiple choice questions. You can also take the retake of your exam and after attending the exam, you will get your completion certificate. So this is a basic data science course for the beginner level. Now, our next course is Python for data science. So this is one of the trending courses there. See here, more than 4 lakh students have enrolled for this course and 4.7 rating is there. So I am suggesting you must complete this course. See here, the total duration is 18 hours and this is a beginner level course. So in this course, you will learn about the basic of Python, Python data structure and different basic fundamentals of Python programming language. Basically, you will learn about basic fundamental knowledge of Python practically as well as theoretically. So after getting the knowledge of Python programming language, you will learn about working with data in Python, means how to read and write file, how to load the data and working out data. So here you will get the knowledge of pandas library, numpy library is there. So this is a working on Python using data. So this is the best course. See here on this side. So there are some great instructors are there like senior data scientist as IBM, then freelance subject matter expert is there, data scientist is there, right? So you will get the best knowledge here. So this is the best course, that is Python for data science. So I have already enrolled for this course. That's why go to class option is there. Now see here. So there are multiple tabs are there like course. They will give you the detailed idea about the course. Then there is a tab that is progress tab. So basically this tab display how much course you have completed. Okay. Currently 2% course have completed. So they will show you the progress of your course, your certificate status, and also summary of your modules. After every module, there will be some basic MCQ questions have there. You need to attempt all these questions. And at the end, there will be your final exam for 25 marks. So this is the best course for you. And if you have any doubts, so you can also discuss with all your doubts with your instructors here in discussion tab, right? So this is the best course, Python for data science. Now the next course, that is data science tools. So this is a basic and small course, like total 15 hours of course is there. This is a beginner level course. So here you will learn about each and everything about data science. Means different languages used in data science, like SQL with data science, then Python with data science, R programming language with data science. So you will get the basic knowledge of this. After that, data science tools, different packages and APIs in data science, models in data science, then GitHub repository, Jupyter Notebook and Jupyter Tab is there, and also different studio and IDE is there. So these are the best course for data science tools. So if you have get the knowledge of data science tools, so that will be useful for also artificial intelligence learning, machine learning, and also for deep learning purpose. This is a base of everything, right? So this is also best course for you, that is data science tools. See, more than 33,000 people have enrolled for this course and 4.5 rating is there. Now our last course is data science methodology. This course also provided by the cognitive class. Now see here, more than 1 lakh students have enrolled for this course and 4.6 rating is there, right? See here, this is a total 4 hours of course. Beginner level course is there, and here you will learn about basic understanding of data, means data requirement, data collection, data understanding, data preparation. So you know everything about data, right? If you want to make your career in AI, machine learning field, data science field, so you must know about data, how to perform different operations on data, right? This is a basic one. So this course provide you the theoretical as well as practical knowledge of all those things. So this is also best course for you. So finish all this course and take your resume on next level, right? So that was the quick guide for your basic data science course from IBM Cognitive Classes. So thank you. Keep learning.